Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jasmine here with another Oils Diva DIY, and I'm in the kitchen because today it's going to be a tasty DIY. Today we're going to make a super simple, fast, delicious, basic vinaigrette. Well, I guess it's not too basic, but it's going to be a delicious vinaigrette that's a little tangy and a little sweet. And the stars of the show are lemongrass and dill essential oils. And while you're watching, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that goes a really long way to supporting what I do here on this channel for you. And make sure that you subscribe so that I know you like the content. And if you haven't done it already, click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, I'm gonna turn on the overhead camera. Let's get to work. I've gathered my ingredients here, and I just want it to be known that I am not a huge recipe follower. So I have my recipe and I'll put up all the ingredients and the directions and all of that, but I may not follow them exactly. Case in point, I need 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar, and I don't believe I have 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to do is whatever I don't have, I'm going to mix that. I'm going to add coconut aminos, which will give a lot of the same flavor. I've got my little Pyrex here. I've got a jar that I've upcycled. So our first thing is, let's just do the apple cider vinegar. So I need 3/4 cup. So this is organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. So let's see how much I have. I have nowhere close to 3/4 cup. So I have some coconut vinegar here until I get to my 3/4 cup. All right. All right, our next thing is I'm gonna pour this into our jar. Now I need 1/3 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. Now this calls for 2 cloves of minced garlic. I don't excel at mincing garlic, so I just used my smoothie blender to chop up some garlic here. So, and I used more than 2 cloves because I really like garlic. Okay. All right, so then I need 1/3 cup of honey mustard. I am not a fan of honey mustard, so I'm going to use some organic yellow mustard, but I'm not going to use as much as it calls for because it also calls for some Dijon mustard, and I like Dijon mustard, so I'm going to have more Dijon mustard than honey mustard, or this mustard that I'm using. All right, so I think that's all that's coming out of there. All right, now it calls for 1/4 cup honey. Again, not a huge fan of measuring. So 1/4 cup is about 4 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to put 4 heaping tablespoons in here. Just, there we go. Bam. All right, now I need it. The recipe actually calls for 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, but again, because I like the Dijon mustard, I'm going to use a little bit more, probably 3 tablespoons. Oh, I don't think I have 3 tablespoons. 2. There we go. All right. So we have that. A little salt and pepper. So a little pepper. And I'm just going to do about a pinch of salt. So this is a Himalayan pink salt. So I'm just gonna do a little pinch. I don't think we need much. And now we've got our 2 stars. We've got lemongrass and we have dill. So we're gonna put 3 drops of the lemongrass. There we go. All right, oh my God, it smells divine. And then 4 drops of the dill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now all you have to do is just, ooh, honey, close it, give it a nice, vigorous shake, and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least a few hours. Overnight is best, but that way you really give all of your flavors the chance to really blend. That's good. Okay, it is definitely tangy, but it's also very sweet too. So here we go. I probably could have used a little bit more mustard. But anyway, so that was super quick. It was easy. You saw my little shortcut about using the blender to mince up the garlic if you're like me and you're not a big, you're not good at mincing garlic. So there we go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if there's some content that you would like me to do, let me know in the comments. I love to show you some DIYs based on what you want to see. All right, guys, have a great one. See you next time.